Are you thinking of how to go live on YouTube, but you find it difficult to go live? Stay tuned, because in this video, I'm going to show you step by step, beginners friendly, on how you are going to go live on your channel. So whether you are using your laptop, your phone, your computer, or whatever, this video is for you, because now I'm going to hold your hand and show you how you are going to go live on your YouTube channel. Okay. Now, for you to go live, you have to enable your channel first. Okay. Now, after you have to enable, how are you going to enable your channel? You go to your YouTube Studio app, then go to channel settings, go to feature eligibility, and do the necessary things that you have to do there, like verifying your channel and the rest of them. Okay. Now, after verifying your channel, what is the next thing you are going to do? The next thing now you are going to do is to go live. Okay. Now, there are three ways that you can go live: either using your webcam. And how are you going to use your webcam? You are going to use your webcam by going straight to your browser, okay, and go live. Or you can still make use of streaming softwares like OBS, which is, if you're using your laptop, you make use of your OBS. You download your OBS app, then use it to go live. Or StreamYard, if you're making use of your phone, okay, or go straight live, or go live straight through your mobile phone. Okay. So these are the three main apps that you can use to go live. Now, for you to go live now, let me take you step by step. You're going to go live with your mobile phone. So let's, for you to go live now, this is what you do. As I'm on my YouTube interface now, what I'm going to do now is to click on this plus sign. Once I click on this plus sign, you will see video, short, live under it. Now you have to choose live. Okay. Then when you choose live, you to bring you to this interface. Now what you click on this pencil icon here. You just click on the pencil icon and allow it. Now this is another interface. You see another interface, title bracket required. Okay. Now you click on it and remove this is Francisca's vlog. Okay. So let's remove it. Remove. Then put the title that you want to use for this live stream. Okay. Now let's put the topic. Let's say how to pray. How to say our morning prayer. How to say a morning prayer. Okay. Now you push stop. Then here is your thumbnail. Okay. Already you have already created a thumbnail that you're going to use. Now you are going to go straight to take a thumbnail, upload. Just click on upload a thumbnail. Okay. Before you start your live stream, you have to create a particular thumbnail that you want to use for your live. Okay. Immediately you finish creating it, then you come straight to your live here, and you come straight to your mobile, your gallery, to choose a particular one that you want to use. Make sure it is properly optimized so that your audience will be able to watch it. Okay. Not only your audience will watch it, so that it will attract the viewers. Okay, because you know that your thumbnail is the first thing that will give you the viewers. Okay, it's the first billboard, is the first thing that your audience will see before they will click on your channel. So make sure your thumbnail is very, very good and attractive. Now you click on this. After clicking on the thumbnail, you go to save. When you save your thumbnail, then you come to public. Okay, you can choose public, or you can schedule your live stream. Okay, already I left it on public. Then come here, this video is set to not made for kids. I've already set it, have optimized it already, so whether I come here or not, it will show not made for kids. Okay, so if you didn't set your own like this, it will ask you to make an notion of what your video is made for, whether it is yes made for kids, or no, it is not made for kids. And please make sure you choose no, it is not made for kids. Okay, now go live together. If you want people to come to your live stream, that is to join you, you go to go live together. Then if you don't want people to join you, can just leave it like that. Okay, now you're coming to your description. Make sure you write your description. Okay, so before you after write you want to write, put your description. Like for example, now in my description I want to write like into this video, I want to show you how to go live, something like that, how to go live or how to pray in the morning. Then put your hashtags, your hashtags and whatever you want, you need to put there. Then coming to screencast, you can still leave it on or turn it. Now schedule for letter, coming to this place now, schedule for letter, you click on it. Here now you will choose the particular date that you want to schedule your live stream. Okay, if it is tomorrow being Monday, you leave it on this 11th. Okay, and click on OK. Do you understand? But if you want it immediately, you leave it on this particular date. Do you understand? But now I will advise you to leave your live stream for some, like a space of a day before you go live, so that YouTube be able to push your content to people that need it, that people that want to join your live stream. Okay, so that is why it's important to schedule your live stream. Do you understand? Now, okay, allow chat. Yes, you have to allow chat so that anybody that click on your live will see you and chat with you. Okay, allow the restrictions. Reactions, yes, you have to allow your reactions. Okay, like giving you a thumbnail and the rest of them. Then coming to this $sign, this video contains paid promotion such as paid products, placement, sponsorship, or endorsement. Then if your video is paid sponsorship, you leave it on. If it is not a paid sponsorship, you leave it off. Do you understand? Then now go back, click on go live. Immediately you click on your go live, you start going live immediately. So these are the step-by-step method you use to go live on your channel. Okay, thanks so much for watching, and please, if you watch this video up to this point, don't forget to give it a thumbs or subscribe if you haven't done so. Bye bye.